everyone. And one of the first things I've got to do in preparation for, well, moving out basically, still have access to my server, is move it over to Scott's. But I've got this empty case here that I'm just going to take over there now and size up and see where I'm actually going to put this. So I'm going to rip the empty case out, take it over to Scott's and sort of examine its future home. See, the top one's the one where all the action is, bottom one's just a shell. Okay. Right. You can see that's where my SDR stuff was sitting, with a massive heatsink and Hack RF over there. All right, I can't wait to get hands on, so I'm going to start taking all the shit out of this rack and just have the server sitting on the floor in preparation for taking the rack to Scott's. It'll save me tearing down the rack, just do it as one in his truck. So I'm just going to rip all this fucking shit out. This shit here is not even screwed in. That Palo Alto. And yeah, just take it out. All right, that's my switches and controller out. Now I've got to take this thing out, the old Powerwall display. Look at it, rocking. All right, most of the gear's out, but I still got the amp in because I'm listening to Ricky Martin at the moment, but there's a server, and I'm going to use one of these RTL dongles still with one of the antennas, just to have music until the last minute. Look at these all wrapped up nicely. That's about to end. All right, now everything's out of the rack, and the server and the amplifier are sitting down the bottom. Okay, I took the server out. It's just in one of those bedrooms there by itself, and the rack's ready to go. And I've just set up the TV antenna amplifier here, and obviously I don't have the TV server plugged into it, so it's turned off, and the two antenna cables. And I've just got a Raspberry Pi here so I can serve RTL TCP, so I can still listen to radio from the Discone while I'm still around here. So here's the server now in this incredibly reverby room, just on its Pat Malone, hooked into the network just like it was in the garage, and my little Home Assistant lamp that comes on automatically to make the room look alive at night time. All right, 6 o'clock in the morning, I've just taken one of the Discone antennas off the roof and that Wi-Fi capture device, which has only been up there a week and never had a chance to see rain, but I didn't film it because, you know, I just wanted to get it done. So there's the mast, and there's one of the Discones there. I've also got that satellite one there that I didn't actually use much, so I'll pull that down as well. So here's the satellite antenna. I just had slid under the tile there. It worked, I just didn't really use it much, so anyway, there it is. So up on the roof now, there were two Discone antennas, now there's only one. All right, now I know that wasn't very technical, but the next video will be, because I'll be moving this into its new home and I'll have to set up some stuff, so we'll get into the logical side of the networking there. But that'll do for now, so until next time, take it easy.